Alright, so in this video part 3, just gonna continue where I left off. So as you can see, right here, this part could use maybe one more, because right here, it's kind of harsh. So if I grab this, 1, 2, one more here, multi-cut, come on, click, W. So anytime there's a straight line, right, here to here is straight, I'm gonna just tuck it back a bit. This guy right here, just a tad bit, I yanked on it like that, right? Because I'm just guessing, feeling it out straight, and then it's gonna transition from straight to start curvature again, start curving. So usually if it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 segmentations will allow for a nice curvature. That the spacing is important. Something like that. Alright, press 4. I'm gonna hide the top down for now. Right. See how it kind of juts out a bit? So you have to kind of nitpick a little. So maybe I'll grab it, tuck it up a bit. It's very similar to drawing outlines for Illustrator. See? There you go. Maybe I'll push this forward a bit. Alright, let's stop picking on it. Okay, so next part, I'm gonna go over here and over here as well. So there's definitely some things to do. Shift right click, multi-cut. I'm gonna put a dot right there. I need probably another dot right here. So I put 2 so far, 1, 2. And then I'm gonna think probably 1 here. Probably for sure 1 here. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put 6 total. Press W after that. I'm going to incremental save, Control Alt S. Right. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to just start doing that. Grab that. Start doing that. Grab that. Anytime there's a apex of curvature, right? You know, you have to put a little bit more resolution, purely because of the fact that it's curving, like this. See? So like this is okay. Right. I want to avoid super noticeable dent going on. See, like this is just acceptable. And I'll grab this, scoot up to here, right? Okay. See how fast I took up all those vertices. Grab that. I'm gonna pull it up to here. Right, so right now this dent is no good. Right there. See, it's kind of tight, and it kind of loosens up here. it opens up. Right, see it tight, tight, tight. 1, 2, 3. 3 segmentations. 1, 2, 3. Or facets. 1 facet, 2, 3 facet. And then on the fourth one, I kind of open it up more. Okay, to prevent too much of a vertices all at one place. And this one, press W. I'm gonna just get closer to here, right? And this whole lot might need to put maybe 1 or 2 more. Maybe 1, 2 more. That's it. Then I'll grab this, tuck on it, click outside. Grab that, tuck on it, pull outside. I'm gonna hide it. See, right here, I don't like this. It kind of goes in. Right here. Click outside. See, very nice and clean. Right. See? Shaping up very nicely. I'm gonna zoom in, so that's what, 6 minutes. Shift right click, multi-cut. And I'm gonna need one here. Just press W, get out of it. I'm just gonna quickly add one there. Shift right click, multi-cut. Put another one here. Press W, get out of the tool, grab that vertex that I just put. I'm gonna do something like that. Because right now the curvature is strong, so I'm kind of having more and more vertices around it to hug around it better. I'm trying to avoid too much looking that, making it look like segmented. Okay, good. Now shift right click, multi-cut. For sure I'm gonna need to put one here. Press W, grab it. So if you do a little bit at a time, it's a little bit more bearable, like how I'm doing right now. Shift right click, multi-cut, slap it one here, press W, get out of the tool, yank on it. So as the curvature is getting opening up, right? See, my spacing is getting better. Here is tight, and then now it's opening up more. Shift right click, multi-cut. I'm gonna dump one here, press W, grab it, maybe do something like that. Shift right click, multi-cut, grab that one, place it there, press W, grab it, something like that. Maybe give it a little bit more spacing here and here. See the spacing for these guys, right? They're widening up and they're equidistant. In the world of modeling, this is preferred, right? And then when, like I mentioned, when the curvature kicks back in, you can tighten it up. This curvature has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total of 6, only 6. And then, like I said, it opens up, right? So shift right click, multi-cut, slap one right here. Press W, get out of the tool, grab it, and like that. See the placement, the spacing, right? As long as you keep the spacing, it'll be nice. Slap one right there, press W, grab it. Shift right click, multi-cut. Place it, press W, grab it. Shift right click, multi-cut. Place it right there, press W, grab it. Notice my segments. Right? Shift right click, multi-cut. place one there, press W. See how straight this is, angular? So maybe I need to kind of get a little bit closer, like that. Shift right click, multi-cut, put one there, press W, that. And press hide that for right here. V is for visibility. And just taking a look. Looks very clean. Maybe over here is a bit too tight. Maybe I'll just grab it, yank it on a bit. Maybe I can get away with stretching it out. There. Shift right click, multi-cut. Place one right here. Grab it. Shift right click, multi-cut. Put a dot right there. Grab it. Alright. So this here is too high. So I'm gonna put one here. Shift right click, multi-cut. See the straight line? So I'm gonna put one. I think the straight line starts to recede right here. Okay, press W. I'm gauging off of this curvature. Grab it. Maybe something like that. Okay. Grab that. Something like that. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. So that's what, 12 minutes? Okay. Yep. Nailed it. Press 5. Turn this back on. See? Yeah. All right. So I think from here it might pick up speed pretty fast. So I'm gonna name this Control Shift S. It's a milestone moment for this model. So I'm gonna name it as Game Boy Advanced. Front outline mesh complete. So that's the front. That's the outline mesh complete. So this is one of those important, key moments for the model. Because everything else is just going to be like a work in progress, 0.002, 0.001. But these are markers, important marking points. Save. All right, good, excellent. See, you could already imagine start extruding up, and you already start getting the volume back in. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna give the total count, right? So over here, this press 4. This guy could be more here. It's too close. Make use of it. Grab it and do something like that. Grab that, maybe move something like that. So space-wise. In the world of modeling and whatnot, they look for things like this. How clean your topology is. Alright. Grab this. It's kind of jutting out too much. Yeah, there you go. Nice and clean. Yeah. Alright. So that's, let me name it. Let me just save it. Just save it right. Alright, so that's 14 minutes, almost 15. So then from there, I probably even just start doing this. laying out the groundwork for the screen area, and it'll pick up speed really fast. Hell, you can even do it right now. Shift right click, multi-cut, plop one there, plop one there, press W, you can grab that and start doing this. You can grab that, start doing that. It's okay if this is happening. It needs to connect anyway afterwards, so I can grab, plop one there, grab it, and again, curvature, multi-cut, plop one there, something like that. Don't mind this. And yeah, and then I can cut ba 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 ba. And over here, put one here, a couple here, and ba 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 ba, reconnect over here. Yeah, and then after that, you can go and grab. You don't have to do this, I'm just showing that it will pick up speed very fast. Shift right click, extrude face, click on the dial. Dial means when you click on it, that means it's set to world. So when you extrude up, it's a perfect up. There's no skewing involved. See? You don't have to do this, and I recommend not to do it. I'm just showing that we will pick up speed very fast. Then you can go, select all of these, for example, like that. And then I can go Control, and then left click to deselect this area. So that I only select, this ring outline. But I also want to deselect these guys. So I'm going to hold Control, deselect, and then again, don't do this. I'm just showing. Shift right click, bevel edge, boom. See how fast we pick up speed. So I'm just showing this so that you as the student does not become overwhelmed, right? Because it will pick up speed very fast and start blazing away, and it'll be super neat. Now I'm gonna do undo. Okay, so that's where I left off, and I'm gonna edit there. Okay, bye, and it'll be another tutorial hopefully after this one.